Can you lose weight in just 3 days? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Jean here from Authentic Energy, your personal wellness and body confidence coach. I'm here to help you become healthier, happier, and more confident. If you'd like to learn more about healthy lifestyle and simple and fun ways to get fit, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Now, a lot of you have been asking me this. Jean, I really want to get started on the Herbalife weight loss program. I'm very interested to get your coaching, but I'm still not quite ready to commit to a full program. I still have, I'm curious, but I'm not ready yet. But that is okay. And today I'm going to introduce all of you to this, the Herbalife 3-day trial pack. And my answer to your question is, if you're still not quite ready, but you are curious, is you can actually get started with just this 3-day trial pack. It's only 3 days, and also your investment is only USD $25. It is a very quick Kickstarter with the program to try the Herbalife nutrition, and also it is a very affordable way for you to get started. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how this trial pack can actually help you get an experience with Herbalife nutrition, and also in just 3 days, because it is a 3-day trial pack, right? In 3 days, you can experience a shift in your energy, a shift in your daily nutrition, and as well, in 3 days, you can experience some weight drop as well. Okay, so we have this 3-day Herbalife trial pack here, and it's available in most countries. So you may find that the packaging may vary in your country, but this is a Canadian version, which is pretty much the same as the American one, in a very pretty pack. And inside the pack, you will find six of these F1 cookies and cream and PDM protein drink mix. So it's already been packed together, the protein and the F1 nutrition together in one very simple on-the-go pack. So basically just rip it open and mix it up with your water or with your choice of milk. And if you want to add fruits and vegetables, you can do that, or just keep it simple, right? So it's already packed for you, and it contains 17 grams of protein. Okay, so you get 6 of these in here. And for America, you have the choice of getting tea. So you have your on-the-go tea pack, but this one is the Total Control tablet. Okay, so in Canada, you get 3 of these Total Control tablets together with the shake. So this is actually one of your best enhancer for weight management. And I will show you guys how you can take these to actually get the weight loss result in just 3 days. Okay, so it's very simple. You have 6 packs, and you have 2 packs each day. Each pack basically replaces 1 meal. Okay, let's say this pack is for breakfast. Okay, that's your breakfast. And after breakfast, you take 1 of these Total Control tablets, and they look like this. So it's like tea extract concentrate tablets. So after each meal, you take a Total Control tablet, or if you choose the herbal tea option, you can take the herbal tea after each meal. And then you'll eat your lunch and replace dinner with another shake, or you can replace lunch with a shake but eat dinner. Okay, have whole meal for dinner, and after your lunch or dinner meal replacement shake, have your Total Control. So basically each day, that's how you do your meal. This is the basic meal plan. But of course, when you are working with a coach, your coach has the responsibility to work out what is your daily protein intake. So you have to follow the protein intake that's advised by your coach. And of course, everybody's daily protein intake is different according to your height, your age, and your goal, all right? So basically, this is how you do the 3 days. So it's designed to let you experience having 2 meal replacement shakes a day, and have Total Control or the tea to go with your shake. Okay, and basically that is the basic meal plan for 3 days. Personally, I really love this 3-day trial pack. Why? I'll tell you 3 of my favorite reasons, and hope that can actually help you make a decision to get started with the 3-day trial pack as well. Firstly, all you need is $25, 25 USD, or even less. If you're in the UK, I think it's about 20 pounds to get yourself a pack. And inside the pack, you can get a 3-day experience already. So those of you who are absolutely new, you've never tried Herbalife before, you are very curious, or you're still a little bit, I don't know, skeptical about it, this is a good way for you to get started, because it gives you that taster, it gives you that trial experience with the nutrition. And you get the experience with our star product, our F1 and our protein, plus the tea. Some of you may get the tea in the pack. Some of you get the total control in the pack. Those are actually our best weight management enhancers, because the total control tablets are actually blend from black tea, green tea, and oolong tea. Those give you the antioxidant for your body. And also total control is really good for increasing the alertness and the energy, and increases your fat burning and metabolism in your body. So which is why total control is one of our favorite weight management enhancers. That's why we pack the total control together with the shakes. And those of you who get the tea, the herbal tea concentrate, and the herbal tea can actually really help you boost metabolism and boost your energy as well. So you get the best combo in one pack, all right? And so this is actually the best 3-day experience for those of you who are new and you want to get started and want to experience how Herbalife can help you lose weight. So this is a good start. Okay, now second reason why I really love this 3-day trial pack is because it is very convenient. Right? How convenient is it? It's not in a bottle, so you don't have to like scoop the powder out. And you know, if you want to bring the, you know, the shake pack with you to the gym or to the work or somewhere, if you're someone who's out and about a lot, you just grab a pack and, you know, put it into your bag. And when you need to make it, just rip it open and mix it up in your shake it. So, you know, those of you who travel a lot, those of you who are regular users like myself, I like to get myself a couple of these, because whenever I have to travel, if I have to like go do some events, I'm not able to bring my powder with me, my shake, my whole bottle with me. I bring a few packs of these with me. It's just so convenient and no fuss. And that's why I love it. Okay. Thirdly, this is very, very important. When you actually use this trial pack with us, and if you follow the meal plan from your coach diligently, you will experience weight loss in just 3 days. So it is possible to lose weight in just 3 days when you change your nutrition, and when you actually get good nutrients into your body, and you follow what the pack tells you to do, you follow the meal plan, you will experience, let me tell you, 3 pounds. You'll experience losing 3 pounds in 3 days. So we're talking about 1 pound each day. Now, I'm saying this with confidence because I actually have seen our participants from our 3-day challenge losing 3 pounds in 3 days. So this year, me and my team, we've actually hosted numerous 3-day challenge with a trial pack, and also, of course, along with the meal plan. And we've seen so many of our participants who have achieved 3 pounds of weight loss in just 3 days as a result of, you know, using the nutrition from the 3-day trial pack and following our meal plan. So this is a great Kickstarter for those of you who want to get an experience in 3 days. But of course, you know, I'm telling you, don't just do 3 days. If you love your experience in 3 days, then of course, you know, continue with it, right? So I've actually put a link just right here. Those of you who want to get started with the 3-day trial pack today, you can click on this link, and also you can find a link in my description down below and get your pack right now and try it and let me know how you go. And do make sure you follow the meal plan as I demonstrated before. Now, comment below if you like the idea of losing 3 pounds in just 3 days. Okay, let me know if that's you. And also if you want to get started on this 3-day trial pack. Okay, so if you enjoy what you're learning here with me, and if you would like to receive additional coaching, especially Herbalife nutrition coaching from me, or do some live workout with me and hang out with me live outside of YouTube, you are gonna love my online fit club. It's Authentic Energy Online Fit Club membership. So for less than $10 a month, you will get live workout, weekly live workout with me, weekly healthy recipes, healthy tips, live wellness coaching with me. And this is actually an amazing space where we can hang out, and also for you to get all that coaching from me. So if you would like to join this Fit Club, make sure you click on the link right here, and I'm going to put it in the description as well. So I hope to see a lot of you inside the Fit Club. So thank you so much everybody for watching today's episode. I hope all of you have got a lot of value out of it. And if you like this video, make sure you share, comment, and like it. And please hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I am here 3 times a week to give you the best tips on personal wellness and healthy lifestyle. And if you like this episode a lot, don't forget to check out my other videos on weight loss as well. Okay, so I'll see you guys inside the Fit Club. Bye.